Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. This is Chrissy, aka Prissy Chrissy, and today we're coming through with this peachy, glowy, summer bronzy kind of look we have going on here. And I was inspired to try to recreate this look from a magazine that I saw, and I just thought it was so pretty and such a good summer, in the summer bronzy look to try out. So this is what I came up with as my version of what I saw in the magazine, and I'm excited with how it turned out. I'm loving this bronze look and just glowing, just like that sun kiss kind of look. And this pop of color here with the peach is just right on the money. So if you guys want to get into this look with me, please stay tuned, and also make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell there for all notifications of new content. Let's get into this look, dolls. Okay guys, let's get into it. We're gonna first start out with priming the lids. I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Conceal to put on to my lids. I'm gonna blend this out with my finger. Set this with the Sacha Buttercup. Make sure it doesn't go anywhere. From there, we're gonna go into the Crown palette. This came in the BoxyCharm subscription. We're gonna use the colors here with these two, sorry. I'm gonna start with the transition color, and there's no names on these, so I'm going in with the brown here, this one, and we're gonna start out building this up. So we're gonna build up and blend, blend, blend. I think it's best to do each eye, each layer on each eye. Some people do one whole eye, and that's okay. I think sometimes I forget to do the same thing on the other eye. I'm just being honest. They might not admit it, but This is the first layer, and pretty light, but you're starting to see the color payout on here. Taking a good amount on the brush, we're going in with the second round of this layer of the transition color still. Okay, second round down. Looking good so far. I do want to go in with this color just a little bit into the crease, and I am gonna still use this same brush. Still using the same blending brush, you guys. And now we're gonna go in and cut this again. Clean that up, you guys. Let's see if this trick works. I'm doing a light cut into, well, put in another base of the LA Girl on here. And I'm doing this because I want the shadow here to show up a little bit more vibrant. First, I'm gonna go in with putting it on my finger to just kind of press it in. And then from there, we're gonna go back to the brush. We're gonna take our brush, it's a flat brush, and we're gonna pack this baby. Everywhere that you put the concealer. I'm not trying to make it perfect, but I do want, this is so pretty. It kind of reminds me of the NARS Orgasm lip gloss and their blush, this color here. I think it's so pretty. So pretty. simple and quick. I'm gonna go back in and just blend this out just a little bit. Just to make these colors blend in seamlessly together. Don't want any harsh lines. And I'm gonna go in with the dark color once more, and I'm just gonna pat it on the outer corner. Jumping right into the face, we're gonna go ahead and prime our skin with the YSL Blur Primer. 2 pumps. Has like gold flakes in there, which I think is so pretty. So we're gonna go in with the Maybelline Matte Poreless. Start with the brush to put it on. I'm just using a buffing brush. You can use the Beauty Blender if you prefer. Take a damp Beauty Blender and press this into the skin, just blending this out to have a seamless foundation. Blend, baby, blend. I'm gonna be taking the Sacha Buttercup and setting the overall face. We want this foundation to stay, not slide away through the day. Now that our face is set for the foundation, we're gonna go in and get this contour going. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the color Mink. Love this part. This is like the part that just ties the makeup together to me. You cannot skip contour. Ever. Ever. Helping to just sharpen up your jawline and work them angles. Up to the eyebrow, blending this out. Going in with the Beauty Blender after your foundation and after your concealer just helps to tie everything together, blending in, no harsh lines, just pressing it in. All right, so we have our contour set. We're just gonna go in and bronze up the skin a little bit. We're gonna be using the MAC Give Me Sun. And a fluffy brush. Just going above where you put the contour at and just blending the two together. Bronze me up because I am not tan for this summer. So I gotta fake it till I make it. Next we're gonna move along to blush. I hands down love Lorac blush. This peach is called Plush. Love this. This is like my favorite blush of all time. With almost every single makeup look I more than likely have on this blush. Guaranteed. It just gives like a nice kind of flesh peachy sheen to the skin, and it looks pretty natural. And we're gonna sweep this back into the hairline, up your cheekbone to the hairline, just patting it and sweeping. Next we're gonna go in with the highlight. Amrezy, I love you for this highlighter. I just love it. Like, it's like the angels just came and opened up the gates when you put the highlight on to just shine in on you. Just shine in. We're gonna also highlight under our brow. just go highlighter crazy. Okay. Okay, now that we have our highlighter on, we got our blush, we have our bronzer, we have our contour, we got our eyes done, our eyeshadow done. Next, we're gonna move on to setting our face. Just setting this all in together. This smells so good. This is the Glam Glow Glow Setter. It just smells so good. While we're letting this sink in and just setting our makeup, we're gonna then go in and do a base coat for our mascara. We're gonna be using the Better Than Sex Too Faced, my #1 mascara. If you are my friend, again, you probably got this. Everybody gets this gift because everybody needs to love it like I do. Next, we're gonna go in with our lashes. These are what I got in the BoxyCharm last month. But they're these. I worn them a few times and I've already measured them, of course, with me wearing them. Make sure you measure your lashes, ladies, because it is so uncomfortable to have the lashes too long and then you've gone through all of that to put them on, and just want them to look nice and natural as possible. This is the lash glue that I'm going to be using, the Callus. I ordered it off of Amazon and I can't remember the exact price, but I want to say it was like $10 to $12. And I have been loving this lash glue. Letting the glue dry just a little bit to get it tacky enough to stick down. Put it in the middle and first, and then lifting and placing the outer corner, and then working my way in. The inner part. Should just stay for a little while. I can't sing, but you ain't gonna tell me. You can't tell me I can't sing. I'm gonna sing and sing and sing. Okay, get into these lashes. BoxyCharm, thank you. I love BoxyCharm. It's just like a Christmas gift every month where you just excited to get something new, surprise, geeked up, all of that. For the lip combo, I am going to be using Ooh by Makeup Shayla. Love her. I've been following her for a while. I love her. I was so excited for her on this launch, and I love the names of the lipsticks that she came up with. And I'm gonna be topping it with her lip gloss as well, Neat Freak. I'm just gonna top off Ooh with the Neat Freak lip gloss. This is such a perfect lip topper. You can wear it alone or over top of a lip just to give it a nice gloss. Let's go one more time, setting this all in. Where's that Beyonce fan when you need it? Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the final look that we have pulled together. I'm gonna call this my Peach Dream. I think that's a cute name. I appreciate you guys for tuning in with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel here too. And also make sure you hit the bell there so that you can be notified with all the new content. I can't wait to see you guys till next time.